I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the authoritative data. First, query the canonical store for the player ID and inspect deletion timestamps and audit fields so you know what removed it and when. Once you have that evidence, check ingestion and replication logs to see if a downstream process dropped the record. Make sure to take a read-only snapshot or export of related tables before any change. That preserves a rollback point and prevents accidental permanent loss. Now you rebuild the missing model entry. Start by extracting latest state from backups, event streams, or client devices to reconstruct required fields. Next, translate legacy schema names to the current model and fill defaults for newly required fields. This avoids validation rejections. Once constructed, rehydrate the model in a staging environment and run the same business logic and integrity checks used in production, so you can confirm relationships, permissions, and indexes behave correctly before any live restore. Finally, apply the fix carefully and verify success. Push the reconstructed player into production using transactional or idempotent APIs, one record or a small batch at a time, and ensure referential integrity updates propagate. Once restored, exercise end-to-end flows, authentication, inventory, matchmaking, so you validate live behavior. If anything breaks, immediately revert to your snapshot. Review conflict logs and audit trails to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.